Hi guys, I just received my Play by Sephora for March 2020 and this is what the bag looks like. I have taken the items out of the bag. It's a really nice bag. And now I'm going to show you the items that I received in my bag. And these are them. Really nice items. And this is what the front looks like. They normally used to put the card on here, on this paper, with the 50 points, but they don't do that now, so. But, yeah, this is what it looks like. And now, I'm gonna read to you I'm gonna tell you what I received, sorry. Moschino, and this is a perfume. It's called Toy 2. And it's a sample that I received. And this is what it looks like. It's in the shape of a teddy bear. And it's called Toy 2, like I said. And I guess the smell that it is, it has granny apple, mandarin, sandalwood. I'm not reading them all. Just musk, jasmine petal, white currant, magnolia. And yeah, this is what it looks like, the sample. And it smells really nice. I like the smell. So this is what I received. And the second item that I received is Amika. And it says Undone Volume and Matte Texture Spray. And this is for the hair. And again, this is what this looks like. Then the next item that I received is by Laura Mercier. You can't really see it, but it's an eyeshadow. And let me just show you what's the name. It's Metallic Taupe. And this is what it looks like. And I'm just going to open it up to show you the color. And this is it. It's a really pretty color. Really nice. It's like a gold color. And it's called Metallic Taupe. And yeah, that's what that looks like. And once I get this put back in the top. Okay. That's that. Then the next item that I received is by Fresh. And this is called Sugar. And it's Mint Rush. And they say it's Sugar Mint Rush Freshening Lip Treatment. So it's sort of like a chapstick. It's like that sort of color. And it's in the color green. And yeah, I'm not going to even bother to open it. So yeah, this is what this looks like. Then the next item that I received is by Nars. And this is it. This is the color. And I'm going to read off what it says. It says it's a Powermatte lip pigment. And it's in the color Starwoman. So that's what this looks like. And I'm just going to open it to let you see the color. And this is what this looks like. And this is by Nars. Again, this is what it looks like. And yeah. Then the next item and the last item that I received by Sephora is Glamglow, and it's a Glowstarter. It says Mega Illuminating Moisturizer, hydrated, and it's a Mega Illuminate. And it is in the color Nude Glow. So, yeah. These are all the items that I received in my Play by Sephora. And I'll tell you what the price is. I'll put it in the description below. Yeah, like I said, these are all the products that I received. Please give this video a thumbs up or subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And I just want to thank you again for watching. Goodbye.